Na Ogbonge collabo between federal, state and local government go bring correct Deve for Naija. Obaseki na im talk dis one. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don yarn say make the collabo between local, state and federal government high sake of say the bottom-up approach to development go help make betterment for we country dey balance. Obaseki wey join the 5-man panel for Ekiti State on top the event of Governor Fayemi for im number 3 years for office. Him yarn say any plans wey federal government get must flow with development priorities wey sub-nationals bring. Governor Obaseki con still talk say the time wey federal government dey plan development wey affect the country by theirself without say state or local government chook mouth for the matter must stop.
I'm sure you all know the popular saying that when you fail to plan, then you plan to fail. Nigeria seems to be failing because we stopped planning. I recall speaking with General Ogbonge several years ago when I asked him, I said, what happened to Nigeria? He said, we stopped planning. Because we began to see plans as just documents where somebody at the federal level will design and then pass down. So we had these needs, seeds that never really made a significant difference. But with all revenues beginning to dwindle, the need for planning from the local government levels through the states to the national level has become more imperative. And what does this mean? It means that at the local government level, the states must know what is going on. At the national level, the states must know what the federal government is thinking. So that there is a coherence and there's a linkage between what the states are doing and what the federal government is thinking of for the country. And that our national plan has to be an aggregate of our state plans. And these state plans have to be endogenous. They have to be built from within. In thinking about planning, we now begin to move from that phenomenon where somebody from outside, either particularly the federal, feel that they know what is good for you. You, the states, you, the local governments, must know what is good for yourself. You have an idea of what you want to emphasize in a particular location. And those are the elements that we now have to put together, align, and then say we have a national plan, and this is how we are going to fund this national plan. And this is how we're going to evaluate and monitor in phases whether we have achieved what we set out to do when we started planning.
Thank you.
Other Ogbonge people wey dey the event na Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki, Vice President Professor Yemi Osinbajo, Kaduna State Governor Nasir Ahmed El-Rufai and Governor Kayode Fayemi of Ekiti State. Dis na the Ogbonge informate wey TMC News carry come give una. From TMC TV, Osarugwe, Monday.